What's going on, motherfuckers? It's your boy, Young Slad. Today is a very special day. We are going to be driving the S13. Oh, this has been a long process, but damn does it feel worth it. I mean, quick rundown of everything we did to get the car up and running. Hold on. So yeah, quick thing to get the car up and running. We installed the Mishimoto fan control, electric fan control. So if you guys are looking for that video, it should be on my channel by now. Yeah, so we hooked that up so that the fans can cool down the radiator and stuff, and it cools it down fast. In that video you see that it just cools it down. I mean, it gets a certain temperature and it just, yeah, there's that. And then we fixed the wiring issue. So basically what was going on was my alternator was being powered by the wrong source coming to the fuse box. So we have this red and white wire that's right here. I don't know if you see this red and white wire right here. This one was connected to some other wire, but it wasn't the right wire, and it goes into the ignition one. And is that another one? Yeah. And so yeah, we hooked it up to there. The fans run off of this, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And today we're gonna lower the car. Needed to wire tuck all the wires, and yeah, we'll see how it is. Yeah. Okay, now that the car is back on all fours, we need to check the tire pressure, because as you see, this one is kind of eating the ground there. So yeah, check the tire pressure real quick and get the hood off, I think, because for this car, it only has one hood bolt. I don't know if you guys can see that. One hood bolt. Yeah, it's kind of not safe, but I think I'm just going to take it off because hood doesn't even close anyway. So yeah, we'll probably just take that off. Fuck it. Alright, be right back. Alright, now all four wheels are pumped up, as you can see. No longer kissing the ground. It's perfect. Yeah, they're all perfect. 35 psi, all of them. Now it's time to take off the fucking hood. So yeah, see how that goes. Alright, the S13 is now hoodless. It's right there. Now we're gonna fucking take this bitch for a drive. It's time, ladies and gentlemen. It's time. Time we've been waiting for. God, it's been so long. But yeah. Woo, let's get it, bitch. Should I just back out or should I just turn around? Turn around right here. Oh, this car is so low. Feels so good to be driving this car again. Yeah, hit it. Alright guys, and that's the end of the video. Pretty much just drove the car out. Didn't really outro it either because, yeah, I was too excited at the time and pretty much just was like, forgot to record an outro. So yeah, that was basically it, but I hope you guys fucking enjoyed that video because there's a lot more coming with that 240 now that it's running. I could do a whole bunch of, like, I could buy wheels, I could buy other performance parts. It's just like it opens up a whole new road now for me, what I can do to the S13. I'm fucking excited, and you guys better be excited too. So yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Yay!